Our daily math review number 1, we're going to use this number line to drag and drop the points to their correct spots. So first of all, we know where -2 goes. So if you start at 0 and we go minus 2 units away from 0, there's that -2. Let's take a look at the next one. Let's see. So how many spaces are in between 0 and 1, I should say? So there's 1 space, 2, 3, 4 spaces. So that means each of these little tick marks are going to be 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4, which is 1. So if we have 1 and 1/4, we'll start at 0. We go over to 1. And then if we go one more tick mark of those 4, we land at 1 and 1/4. Let's take a look at 2 and 3/4. So if we have our 2 and 3/4, we'll go over 2, and then we'll go 3 of the 4 tick marks. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's see. -3 and 25 hundredths. That's -3 and 25 hundredths, or -3.25. 0.25 is 1/4, because if you have 1/4 of a dollar, if you have 1/4, you have 25 cents. So we're going to go backwards from 0, 3, and 1 of those fourths. So we're going to go back 1 and those 1/4. Now if you have 50 cents, that's half. So if you have 1/4, 2/4, that's half. So 50 cents, that's right in between -1 and 0, or I'm sorry, -50 cents, or -0 and 5/10. That is going to be right in the middle of 0 and -1. All right, let's place the numbers in order from greatest to least. So this time it's greatest to least. So the biggest number, I'd rather have $2 than to owe somebody $3. So the greatest number is going to be 2 and 3/4. Then 1 and 1/4. And then we have -0 and 5/10. -2. And then -3 and 25 hundredths. And that is going to be it for our DMR number 1. Great job.